Hi lovelies, I believe and trust that everybody is doing very great. You guys, do you know that from your testimony, from your experiences with your smartphone and AI, you can earn money every day? Rather, you are 30 years right now. If you're 30 years, you started experiencing life hurdles or beautiful things at the age of 22 years. So from 22 years to there are seven years. Though there are some people who experienced hard times, good times at 5 years. You've had their testimonies. But now, let's say 7 years, you started facing challenges of which I know you might be there. I'm there. Do you know you can combine what you have gone through, how you have gone through into testimonies without sitting for hours, reading books, writing books, typing on a computer, on laptops. Just few minutes, you make your testimonies, and these testimonies will be blessing people, and at the same time it will be giving you money while it is coming out. How will it be blessing people? It will be showing someone who is in the same situation that you went through and they are failing to go out of it. It will be showing them, no, I'm not alone. Someone also can move away from disclaimer. So this video is for education purposes. We give you 10% of the knowledge. The 90% you should go and research. If you want to take it, you take it. So treat this video as educational video. We are not financial buoyant, no, we are not financial experts or experts. So you guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you that you can use only your experience without even putting your face and earn money on Facebook, earn money on YouTube, earn money on blogs, earn money on TikTok, everywhere, provided you have a smartphone, without even putting your face. What are we talking about? We are talking about Suno AI. Suno AI is a platform. It is an AI platform that can make for you music. I've used this platform for more than 1 year, and this platform has helped me to bring my testimonies out. If you want to know what it has helped me do, you can go to Whispers of Love. That is a platform that we don't advertise. It advertises itself. So I make my testimonies in form of songs and I put them on YouTube. Another person will think it's just a song, but it is touching another person. It is touching someone who is hearing, and at the same time it is helping me release whatever I went through or how I went through it. It is also going to help you in different ways, especially for content creators who fear copyright strikes, who fear violations. With Suno AI, that music is not copyrighted. It belongs to you. So I want you to listen for this.
We laughed, broke bread at my table. I trusted their words, thought their hearts were stable. But behind every cheer, there was poison they fed, plotting my fall while I laid my head. Years with the snakes, but I never saw the bite. They danced in my daylight and schemed in my night. Oh, I should have been broken, gone without a fight.
This song, these lyrics, after, was it a heartbreak or a disappointment? I think it's a disappointment. I've done different kinds of songs, hip hop, whatever, very many, I even don't know their names, but using this app Suno AI. So to music lovers, even to non-music lovers, if you don't want to put your face but you want to bring out your information, you want to bless the world and you want to earn money, come near. So what do? I want you to go to Play Store or App Store, download Suno AI. The moment you download Suno AI, you describe what you want, as far as whatever you want, your song or the lyrics, instrument, whatever. Follow the prompts. This video is very short, by the way. So if you want to know step by step, you can go to the comment section, or you can give us a call. You can send for us an email and we'll help you. As you've heard our song, I was in a trying moment. There's a time a person I trusted so much. Let me give you a background. I trusted so much this person, I even helped and did what. But because that person, they are different people. I know you might be in that situation. Most people say, how can somebody lie against you? During the day, we'll be eating together. We'll be dining. At night, they go and trot against me. They start saying, this girl is proud. This lady is like this. This is like this. Me without knowing. Until I came to know and I felt my life, if it wasn't the grace, if it wasn't the love revelation, by the not grace, love, if it wasn't the love of grace, I would be kaput. But God held my hand. So when I was there, I was like, I need to appreciate God. I went to Suno AI. So what you do also, go to Suno AI, download it. After downloading it, follow the prompts. You guys, stop saying, how do I do it? Who can teach me? First, try yourself. That's when you know you can do like 5 songs in a day. Do you know the things we have gone through? Physically, financially, maritally, relation-wise, economically, there are very many. And these ones, every day you can put out a song, a beautiful song. So there is no excuse for you to be having a smartphone and you say, I don't have money. If you go to our YouTube channel, this song has been giving me money every time. And as you listen, it is even the one that is working as background music. I will not get any strike. So do you want to earn money with your experience, your testimony, and someone is out there facing the same? Just go and download Suno AI. You don't need to talk. Go follow the prompts on Suno AI. What I didn't tell you, Suno AI has 2 sides. There is a free one, there is a premium. Of course, free one, it has limited number of songs that you'll be given in a week or in a month. Then the premium one, you pay. When you pay, that is when you can use for the whole month without being stopped. Just imagine you have someone out there. Now, this is a pro tip. If you feel you cannot explain it for Suno AI very well to bring out your testimony, you can go to ChatGPT. You heard what I was telling you about ChatGPT. Write the whole testimony for you, the whole experience for you, and tell ChatGPT, arrange it for me because I want to make lyrics, a song, something like a song. It will arrange for you, copy it, bring it to Suno AI. When you put in Suno AI, it is going to organize, follow the prompts and make a song. By the way, it is not only ChatGPT. We have we have Gemini, we have Banana AI. We have very many. If you want to know anything about AI, please put it in the comment section. I'll be bringing a full video about it. This has been Christine. See in another video, but don't forget to share it to a friend, because when you share it to a friend, you're showing love to me. I'll be increasing my reach, and you'll also be helping someone out there to know, even when you don't you can't write, if you can't sing, but you can spread some healing out there. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye bye.